Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make an easy pan-seared salmon in coconut milk and some brown butter sauce. This salmon is so tasty, it is moist and it is flaky. It is worth the while trying, guys, so let's get started. Over here I have 4 pieces of salmon that I did wash with lime and salt. Then I pat dry them with paper towel. Now I'm going to season the salmon with some lemon pepper seasoning, onion and garlic powder, along with some black pepper. And the lemon pepper season has salt, okay? And salmon does not require much seasons anyway. Pat the seasonings on the fish and set it aside for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to prep my seasonings. So I have 1 large onion. I have some parsley here. And all details will be listed in the description box below, okay? Some coconut milk, a cube, black pepper, some thyme, and a pepper for flavor. Into my pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. And you want the butter to melt until it starts to get brown. Then place the salmon into the pan, skin side up. You want the salmon to cook for 3 minutes on one side, then you flip them over and let them cook again for 3 minutes on the other side. Remove the salmon after 3 minutes and place them onto your plate. And into the same pan, I add the onion and some thyme, and you want to saute this for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Give it a nice little stir. Then I'm going to add the pepper for flavor. Now add the cubes. And make sure you taste as you go, okay? Add some black pepper. And let this come to a boil. You want to add some parsley into this, and then you want this to boil until it starts to thicken up, okay? This is a very rich sauce, guys. So now that the sauce is finished, I'm going to place the salmon into a dish and pour the oil from the salmon right over the salmon. Yes, we want to pour all that goodness right onto the fish. Then I'm going to pour the sauce right over the salmon. And I'm doing it this way because I want the salmon to sit in the sauce so that it can absorb all that milk, right? All that richness. Once this is done, I'm going to cover it with a foil and set it aside. Now into my pan, I add some olive oil. I julienne some carrots, and I'm going to put my frozen snip peas into this pan. And don't be afraid, the snip peas is going to come right back into shape. So you just want to toss them around a little. Now I'm going to add my yellow bell pepper and the red bell pepper. And then you just want to cook this for another minute. You don't want your vegetables to be too soggy, all right? Just a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Toss them around a little for another minute. And there you have your nice, fresh vegetables, all crunchy and nice. Just like so, guys. So it's all done. And now it's time to serve. So I served my vegetables with the salmon. I'm just going to pour a little bit of my coconut juice right over here, or my coconut sauce, whatever you want to call it. And this is such a healthy, delicious meal, guys. My salmon is all cooked really nice. Give it a try. It is simple, it is easy. I did make 2 plates, guys, one for me and one for you. So subscribe, like, press that notification bell, and share my video. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.